Kids Learning Express. Today we are going to see some of the important questions in EVS 5th standard CBSE syllabus. Okay children, two medicinal plants are Tulsi and Neem. Okay, Vana Motsav celebrated in first week of July. Next, the tube that connects mouth to stomach is food pipe or esophagus. Night blindness is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin A. Berry is vitamin B. Lack of calcium in diet leads to osteoporosis and rickets CKETs. Dash is caused due to the deficiency of iodine in our body. Which is caused due to deficiency of iodine? Goiter is deficiency of iodine. Anemia is caused due to deficiency of iron. Deficiency of protein causes in disease is called kwashiorkor. Deficiency of protein along with the carbohydrate, it's called protein energy malnutrition and marasmus. So we will write protein energy malnutrition and marasmus. We will turn the paper. Minerals are protective food. 12. Dash or energy giving food. Fats are energy giving foods. Proteins are dash food. Body building foods. Vitamin A rich in, which one vitamin A rich in? Milk, carrot, butter, curd, good. Green leafy vegetable. Next, scurvy is caused by deficiency of, very good, vitamin C. Rickets is caused by, very good. Goiter is iodine, iron deficiency. Kwashiorkor, marasmus, proteins and carbohydrates. The disease caused due to lack of nutrients in our body is called deficiency disease and non-communicable disease. Deficiency disease caused lack of nutrients in our diet is called deficiency disease or non-communicable disease. In EVS journey of food, I have written few dashes. Okay, in dashes, this is a very important questions. Okay children, in this I have written only few important questions only. I have written from 1 to 21. It is the easiest method you can get score high marks in EVS. Okay children, from 1 to 10 and 11 to 21 is a easy method in journey of food. Okay children, don't forget to subscribe this channel. If you have any doubt in this, come and if you have any doubt in this. Okay children, bye bye.